Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial you will learn how you can increase or decrease the decimals for numbers on Microsoft Excel. It is very simple, so let us get started. So guys, head over to your document, and as you can see, I prepared a list or table like that here with a set of values or numbers like that, each one with a comma or decimal. So guys, you may move that comma around here to the left or to the right and add more or increase or decrease the decimals by applying the following trick. Head over to the Home tab here at the top, in the top left, and here under Number, you will see that feature here, Increase Decimal, or to the right, Decrease Decimal. So choose the one you would like to apply and select the cell, of course, and apply it, for example, by clicking on Increase Decimal. As you can see, it added another decimal or a 0, and you may go also with a Decrease Decimal by clicking on it, and that is going to decrease or subtract a decimal, and you can apply that also for multiple cells, just like that. There you have it, guys. So that's how it works, guys. As you can see, super simple. Thanks for watching and see you next time.